mariango boma ma Eldoret kaka achiel kuom bombe madongo ma pacho ka dhi mbele bomano. Nyasino yuore gi jatend piny William Ruto. Wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka bomano mondo wane ane kaka nyasino timore.
Your Excellency may hand a vellum copy of the proclamation to the Deputy President, Solicitor General for publication into law, and to those that will be charged with the implementation of the Charter, that is Cabinet Secretary responsible for urban development, the Governor of Uasin Gishu County, as well as the governors of counties of Nandi, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Bomet, Kericho, Turkana, West Pokot, Narok, Trans Nzoia, Bungoma, Kakamega, Laikipia, and Samburu. Thereafter, I invite Your Excellency alongside all other leaders in the arena to display a ceremonial copy of the vellum. Your Excellency will display an open copy while the others will display a closed one.
Basi wakijiunga nasi hivi sasa gavana wa jimbo la Bungoma, hali kadhalika gavana wa jimbo la Kakamega na gavana wa jimbo la Vihiga.
All governors except the host governor are requested to retreat. Permit me, Your Excellency, to most graciously invite the chairperson of the Municipal Board of Eldoret and secretary to the board and the county executive committee member for urban planning to join the governor in receiving the conferment instruments. So, where are the conferment instruments? Be conferred to the chair, the governor. Yeah, these ones, yeah. The chairperson should be given a conferment of the instrument. Yes. Yeah, we are here. So we are here.
Shangilia kwa makofi mazuri mwenyekiti akiweza kupokezwa
The flag of the city.
Akiweza pia kupokezwa bendera ya mji huu ama jiji hili la Eldoret. Shangwe na vigelegele.
The map of the city, the seal of the county, and the memento marking the evaluation of the municipality of Eldoret in the city. The memento. So we can retreat to our seat, Your Excellency.
Basi Mheshimiwa Rais akipokezwa ramani ya Eldoret City, sasa aweze kumpokeza mwenyekiti.
Wait a minute. So, Your Excellency, you can retreat to your seat still at the arena, and the rest of us to go back. Your Excellency, Eldoret City is the melting pot of all the communities from across this vast land and nation. In a symbolic display of Kenya's fifth city centrality to all the neighboring counties, I invite the leadership of the North Rift Economic Bloc counties, as well as other neighboring counties, to receive their symbolic key to the city of Eldoret in the following order. Nandi County.
Gavana wa jimbo la Nandi.
Followed by Elgeyo Marakwet.
Mheshimiwa Steven Sang. Nandi.
Elgeyo Marakwet. Followed by Baringo County.
Gavana wa Elgeyo Marakwet, Mheshimiwa Wesley Rotich, pokezwa ufunguu na Mheshimiwa Rais. Tumshangilie kwa makofi. Thank you. Gavana wa Baringo akija kupokea. Gavana wa jimbo la Baringo, Benjamin Cheboy.
Bomet County. Bomet County, come closer. Followed by Kericho. Followed by Turkana. Followed by West Pokot. Followed by Narok. Trans Nzoia, please come forward. Then Bungoma, then Kakamega, Laikipia, and Samburu.
Bomet wakiweza kupokea kifungu chao. Tumshangilie kwa makofi. Kericho, Speaker akiweza kupokea. Namwona Gavana Bungoma, Mheshimiwa Ken Lusaka akiweza kupokea ufunguo wake. Gavana wa jimbo la Trans Nzoia, Mheshimiwa George Natembeya, Trans Nzoia. Trans Nzoia. Akipokezwa hivi sasa Gavana wa jimbo la Kakamega, FCPA Fernandez Baraza akiweza kupokea funguo huu. Asante sana. Gavana wa West Pokot, Mheshimiwa Simon Kachapin akiweza kupokea ufunguo huu. Anafuata gavana wa Kajiado, Gavana Joseph Olelenku. Gavana Joseph Olelenku akiweza chukua ufunguo wake. Anafuata gavana wa jimbo la Vihiga, Mheshimiwa Wilbur Otichilo akiweza pia kuweza kuchukua ufunguo wake mahali hapa.
Yeah, Your Excellency, you may retreat to your seat At the arena still, Your Excellency.
Bado kwa arena. Leo tuna kazi. Tumshangilie Mheshimiwa Rais.
Take your seat. Your Excellency, sir, Eldoret City is a culmination of years of an inspiring leadership in enterprise, agriculture, and industry, steered through various visionary leaders. In honor of the immense contribution made by these visionary sons and daughters of Eldoret, I present the following persons for conferment of national honors in recognition of their distinguished and outstanding services rendered to the nation in various capacities and responsibilities as follows. Your Excellency, kindly step forward to award the medals to the persons read.